Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the KFC UAE app or website and signing in. This gives you access to your recent orders. Once done, locate the specific order using the order ID or your phone number. This identifies the transaction. Make sure you note the status shown, because you can cancel only if it is pending or not yet prepared. If it already shows preparing, cancellation may be blocked. You will need to contact support instead. Now you tap the order and look for the cancel option. Press cancel or request cancellation to start the process. You will be asked to pick a reason. Choose the most accurate one, since that affects refund speed. After that, confirm the cancellation request and select refund method, original payment, app credits, or voucher. The app then shows a confirmation screen and an estimated refund time, so note that and expect an email or SMS. Finish by verifying the confirmation message on screen and wait for the SMS or email. This proves the cancellation. If you do not see a cancel button because the order is preparing or dispatched, contact KFC UAE support immediately and, if needed, your bank for a chargeback. One quick troubleshooting tip: take screenshots of the order page and any error messages. These images help customer service resolve disputes faster and speed up refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.